Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about the joy of painting with watercolor. Watercolor is one of the most beautiful and exciting form of art. It is simple, portable and full of surprise. With just a few brushes, some colors, water and paper, we can create endless possibilities. Watercolor teaches us to slow down, observe the world around us and enjoy the creative process. One of the great joy of watercolor is its freshness. The colors flow naturally on wet paper and create effects that are difficult to achieve with other mediums. Sometimes the paint spread in unexpected ways and those surprises often become the most beautiful part of the painting. Watercolor reminds us that we do not need to control everything. Instead, we learn to work with the flow of water and enjoy the unexpected result. Another reason people love watercolor is its simplicity. We do not need to large studio or expensive equipments. We can paint at home, in a garden, on a mountain, or while traveling. A small watercolor set can fit easily into a bag, allowing us to paint wherever inspiration appears. This freedom helps us connect more deeply with nature and everyday life. Watercolor also teaches important life lesson. It helps us become more patient and observant. We learn to notice small details such as the way sunlight falls on a building, the colors in a cloud sky, or the reflection in water. We begin to see beauty in ordinary moments that we might otherwise miss. At the same time, watercolor teaches us to accept mistakes. Unlike some other mediums, watercolor can be difficult to correct. Because of this, we learn to adapt and find creative solutions. Sometimes a mistake leads to a new idea or a better painting. This process helps us become more confident and less afraid of failure. Painting with watercolor can also bring peace to our mind. When we focus on mixing colors, making brush stroke, and watching the paint move across the paper, we forget our worries for a while. It becomes a form of relaxation and meditation. Many people paint not only to create art, but also to reduce stress and find happiness. Watercolor is more than just a painting medium. It is a way to express feeling, memories, and personal experience. Every artist has a unique style, and every painting tells a different story. There are no strict rules about what we should paint. What matters most is enjoying the process and expressing ourselves honestly. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, watercolor always offers something new to discover. Every sheet of paper is a new adventure, and every painting is an opportunity to learn. The joy of watercolor is not only in creating a beautiful artwork, but also in the experience of painting itself. In conclusion, watercolor teaches us to observe carefully, be patient, accept imperfection, and enjoy the unexpected. It helps us connect with nature, express our emotion, and find peace in our busy life. Most important, it reminds us that art is not only about the final result, but also about the happiness we feel while creating. Thank you so much and happy painting.